Hello, my friends. Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life. And one of the most often asked questions that I get is, how do you store your stamps and dies? And you know what, my friends? Great news. We have the perfect idea on how to store them. It is our envelope storage system. Now, we have 3 different sizes of our envelopes. We have the small, we have the medium, and we have the large. Now, the large are the envelopes that come in our kit clubs, and you can also buy them separately. Now, here we have them, and you can see them kind of stacked up next to each other. The small are perfect for fold it, stamps and dies, littler die sets, anything like that. And the nice thing about all of them, every single one, they're nice, thick plastic. They all come with this little spot of white. And here I have mine covered, so here you can see it on this one better. There's like a little spot to put a label. Now, I've already labeled some of mine, so this one says Ladybug and Butterfly. They have our name on it, thestampsoflife.com. And then you get to store these in Totally Tiffany buddy bags. So for example, all of the small ones for your fold it, your small die sets, your words, things like that, stamps and dies, will all fit in the Karen bag. The Karen bag is available in black and exclusively on our website in pink. So that's the Karen bag. Then the medium storage envelope is perfect for all of your card dies, all your A2 size card dies. This is one of my flip-its. The stand-ups will fit in here. The step-ups will fit in here. The A2 size card bases will fit in here. Lots and lots will fit in these. And this is going to fit in the Kirsten bag. Now, the Kirsten bag was designed for us exclusively in pink. You can also get it in black. It's actually named after my oldest daughter. It's going to hold all of your medium storage envelopes. So here's one of my step-up cards. It'll also hold your idea booklets that you get from HSN that we do. Lots and lots of card bases will fit in here as well. So I'm going to put that one right there. That's the Kirsten bag. Karen bag, Kirsten bag. Now, for our larger envelopes, we have the paper taker. The paper taker is fantastic because it's going to hold your large storage envelopes. Nice Velcro. You're going to be able to drop in your storage envelopes just like this. Now, for example, I have my Z Fold card base because it's much larger than normal. My slimline card bases are in here. My A2 envelope dies are fit in here. Also, my 4-inch alphabets are in here. Lots and lots of different things go in here, and look at that. Boom, fits in there perfectly. You can take it for storage, but you know what I do? I have a little shelf down here on my desk. I just drop it in there. Anytime I want to grab it, I pull that little thing and out it comes, and I have all of my larger dies in here. So small, medium, and large, you decide. You probably need a little bit of all of them, but you know what? Organization is the key, because the more you don't have to look for it, the more time you have for crafting. Thanks so much. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.